We have soldiers and military personnel stationed around the world. We are in the longest government shutdown in U.S. history. The second longest was his last term. Let that sink in. So I guess they're not paying them. I thought that there were some reports that they were being paid. Um, so I'm out of my mind. I cannot believe this. There are reports that the U.S. military, under the leadership of Pete Hegseth, has told U.S. soldiers in Germany to go to food pantries in Germany. So our soldiers and military personnel will be going to German food pantries to
My
get food that
country
was donated
is
to
a
feed the German
great
people.
land of
This is a complete embarrassment. This is
inequity,
a
of
complete injustice
thee
to
I
our
sing.
military who volunteer to fight for our country and keep us safe. And this is how they're being treated. They're being sent to food pantries in Germany. Livid.